So exercise 13.3, question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. Okay. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. Okay. So basically, a container shaped like right circular cylinder. एक तो एक सिलेंडर है, उसमें बहुत सारी आइसक्रीम भरी हुई है. ओके. हैविंग डायमीटर 12, तो इसका रेडियस है 6 और हाइट है 15 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नाउ इट इज फिल्ड इनटू कोन्स. बहुत सारे कोन्स में भरेंगे इनको. तो we have to tell how many such cones can be filled with it. Okay. So cone has hemisphere. जो आइसक्रीम ऊपर भरेंगे उसमें ऊपर वाला शेप तो हेमिस्फीयर है और नीचे वाला कोन है. ओके. Filled into cones of height 12 centimeter. Height of cone is 12 and diameter is 6. That is radius is 3. Okay. So radius is 3 and having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled. Okay. So first of all, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is equal to pi r square, that is 6 square, into h is 15. Okay. So we'll keep this as it is this way only, because we have to equate this volume of cylinder to volume of cone. Okay. Let n such cones can be filled. Okay. So volume of each cone plus hemisphere. Okay. अब कोन का वॉल्यूम होता है 1/3 पाई r square, that is 3 square, into h is 12, and volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay. Now अगर n cones ऐसे फिल हो सकते हैं तो we'll just equate pi r square h into n into this thing, that is 1/3 pi into 3 into 3 into 12 plus 2/3 pi into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So this we have to solve. 3 and 3 cancel. 3 and 3 cancel. Now 12 3s are 36. That is equal to n into 36 pi plus 9 2s are 18 pi. Okay. So and this is pi into 6 square into 15. We have to find the value of n. Pi into 6 into 6 into 15 equals to n. 36 plus 18, that is equal to 54 pi. Okay. So n equals to pi into 6 into 6 into 15 upon 54 pi. Pi and pi cancel. 6 9s are 54. 3 2 3 5. That is equal to 10. So answer is 10. That means 10 such cones can be filled from that one cylinder.